Hello. So I've seen a lot of questions, people asking, how do people attach the nails to their Red Iguana practice hand? So today I'm going to show you how I attach mine. So on the Red Iguana practice hand, there's a little slit in the cuticle area, which you insert these little fake nail bed inserts, which I have right here. And I have already pre-measured which size each nail needs. So I'm going to go ahead and just slide them in each little slit, making the free edge flush with the tip of the finger. So they are sold in different packages, one for their half hand, one for their full hand, and one for the single finger they have. I did go ahead and just buy the package that is for the half hand because I never do the thumb. I just pretty much do the main 4 fingers. They do sell a Gorilla Glue and a primer to adhere them down, but I opt not to just so that I do not wreck my hand. I'm not very graceful with stuff like that. So I am going to go ahead and just glue on my tips. I'm using the McCart nail glue, the brush on one. I absolutely love it. I do have a discount code with McCart if you need that. Save a little bit of money. I will go ahead and link it down in the description box for you. So I just go ahead and paint on a little line of the glue and just attach my tip as normal, like if you were doing a real hand. And after I get them all glued down, I do go ahead and just blend the tip into the insert so that I have a nice smooth application, and that pretty much has me ready to go ahead and do my set. I hope this answered some questions for some people and helped some people out. I'll let you finish watching me adhere these tips, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you could, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Helps me out a lot, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I'ma go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, though I don't know a thing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. Seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking